the total numbers of all IPOs in the US in 2020 is now at 450. And then with more upcoming IPOs in the nearest future. Question is, what is IPO? And then why would a company offer initial public offerings known as IPO? Well, I have some good explanation for you. So stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. Grab a cup of tea. Then subscribe. Okay, straight to the point. IPO stands for initial public offerings, and then it refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public. When the stock of a company gets listed on the stock exchange for the very first time. Okay, the next question should be, why go public? Or what is the benefit of an IPO? Stay with me, let me break it down. You see, an IPO is a big step for a company as it provides the company with access to raising a lot of money, and it gives the company more ability to grow and expand. Thereafter, the company paperwork, financial status like income statement, balance sheet, becomes available to the public. Okay, wait, an IPO could also mean the current owners want to cash out when the price of the stock is up. It could be an exit strategy for the company founders and early investors after realizing the full profit from their investment. That said, so the question is whether it is a good investment strategy for investors to buy into any IPOs. My answer is no, no, and no. Stay with me. I will provide some reasonable reasons for saying no. And hear this. IPO is a mirage, as stated in the title. Okay, you want me to explain? Why not? Well, let me use this illustration. Mirage is an optical illusion caused by atmospheric conditions like the refraction of light from the sky due to heated air. This action creates fake, rippled, watery mirages on the road on a sunny day. Please note the word illusion and fake. You see, as a driver, as you get closer to the spot where you think the water is, it disappears, meaning that the watery image is not real but fake. Similarly, 90% of all IPOs are optical illusion initiated by the company stakeholders to lure or attract you into buying the IPOs. Don't fall for the IPO media frenzy. However, please note there are few exceptions of IPOs that will do better, say within 5 to 10%. Well, you see, as an intelligent investor, before you buy the stock of any company, you should research and carry out some fundamental analysis about the company. You should look at their books, and this is what most IPO companies cannot provide. Stay with me, let me break it down. According to a reliable and tested metrics, again over the years, a good company or business, if you like, should be able to grow in sales revenue, net income, and cash flow from operations consistently year after year. And again, this information would help you to determine the intrinsic value of the stock. Well, with IPO companies, this data is not available. Historical track record, say for at least 8 to 10 years. While most companies going the route of IPO only possesses, say, 3 to 4 years of data. And most of these companies are at their fledgling stage, at the early stage, and not making any revenue. Rather, they are losing money with negative income and then negative cash flow. Okay, listen to this. This is very important. Most of these companies, would rather quote and unquote, cook their book than provide you with transparent figures. So, what am I trying to say? You see, most of these IPO companies package and present, quote, a Mirage company, end quote, embedded with fake financial statements as real for you. Don't fall for it. However, for a more comprehensive analysis on the subject matter, the reasons why 90% IPOs could be regarded as gambling and why you should avoid them, check my video title, What is IPO? TikTok IPO versus Robinhood IPO, Risk and Rewards. I strongly recommend you check out the video. You will see the clip at the end of this video. Good news. Use Trading 212 link below in the comment section and then open an account with just £5 to £10. Buy some shares and you and I will collect free share worth £100. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.